Hi, I'm Anmol Bharti. I have been building startup for the last 6 years. I was the CEO of Opevo and actively I am building Dastavez AI, Local Toto and Inco Dekho. I am an execution driven founder. I move fast, ship early and I learned directly from users. I was in the final year of my college when I dropped out for working full time on my startup because I think long-term commitment is very much needed when you are working fully on any product. What makes me a top builder is consistency because I have been building through uncertainty for years and I do not stop when things do not work initially. If money wasn't a constraint, I would build a technology which can make presence of human possible both at the same time at different locations. This would combine immersive VR and real world robotic system, and this will remove the geographical limitations of communication, of connecting two humans together. And since our technology, since robotics is growing so much higher, so I think the next layer of infrastructure is going to be this. Now moving forward with the demo of the product, I have built Dastavez AI and let me show you what we have built. It is an AI powered legal workflow tool for lawyers, law firms, departments and individuals. The problem is that legal drafting today is slow, fragmented and highly manual. Lawyers have to check for precedents, ensure compliance, structure documents and constantly cross-check everything. This takes hours, sometimes days, and a lot of it is repetitive. For individuals, it is even harder. They don't have the expertise and risk making mistakes. Dastavez AI solves this by combining drafting with intelligence. You first log into the portal, then you drag and drop the document which you want to edit. After uploading the document, we extract the document text, we run the OCR, we analyze the document structure, we detect the clause and risk, we search for case precedents and we run full AI analysis. After analyzing the whole document, we provide you a editor mode where you can easily structurize your document, where you can easily feed the precedents we have suggested and where you can easily check the compliances which we have provided you with. After editing the document, you directly download it in the form of Word or PDF or anything you need. And you can also apply the template of your company, of your institution or your watermark to the document, to the exact document. So instead of just generating text, it actually makes draft smarter and more reliable. The goal is to compress hours of work into minutes while improving quality. I am here to build at much higher level and I feel Vibecom and Y Combinator is the room for it. Since the mail says you have to prove it, if you belong to the room, I will prove it.